last day today. Correct.
Yeah. Next time we're gonna go to Okada. After Okada, soon I'm going to go to Soleil.
Okay.
Okada for the 3 days.
Morning, guys. So today is our last day. We're going down for breakfast. Right. Let's eat, guys.
Yeah, I don't swim. Only go to Ayala Mall and Time Zone at music shop. I'm going to play the piano.
Okay, we're not planning to swim today, guys.
I'm ubo today.
May ubo na daw siya kahapon doon sa swimming niya. So, yun. Magmamall na lang kami this afternoon.
Okay, fine.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
It smells so good. So, paglabas ng elevator, dito yung breakfast area sa ground floor. Sa Mistro Restaurant. Hello guys, we are here in breakfast area now. So, Enzo is eating rice and chicken nuggets.
The breakfast is egg, rice, and chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. So, ang breakfast ko naman guys is egg, grilled chicken, paksiw, tortang talong, tapos sausage. Guys, we're having bread. Ito masarap guys. May kasi ako sa mga jam.
Okay, come on. Go on. Yay, you can do it, mommy.
Yes!
Go.
Hi guys! We're about to check out now. So, kanina,
I picture on this because there's ilaw.
ayun, nag-fire alarm kasi dito kanina. Kasi yung staff dito, may fire drill sila today. So, umilaw lang naman dito sa kwarto. Nothing much happened. So, may prior announcement din naman on that activity. And yun. So, we're saying goodbye to Seda today because we're checking out na. Say bye to Seda.
Bye, Seda.
Bye, Seda.
Next time.
See you next time. Also, bye guys. Thank you for watching our vlogs.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Press on the green.
Saan yung green? Bye guys.
Bye.
Hello guys. We're here in the mall.
Hi, when the more guys are playing Mega World.
He's playing Mega World. We're gonna have our lunch here at
Soban.
Soban. Request niya. So, yun. Naka-check out na nga kami guys. We're malling today. Let's go, guys. Let's eat muna. Lunch. Gutom na kami. Let's eat, guys. Cooking. May batang gutom na po dito. Kailangan kumain ka na. Craving ni Habi, ramyun. Bawal sa akin maanghang, di ba, love? May spice yan. Sit down. We're still cooking. Ito naman batang to. Super excited na nga kumain. Dito naman sa Gashapon. Ito, batang mahilig sa surprise toys. Manang-mana po. So guys, may bumili ng TV dito. Titingin lang daw siya. Naka-isang brand pa lang kami, Sony. Nasara na po ang deal. Unboxing, guys. So, grabe guys. Sabi niya, titingin lang daw siya ng TV. But, he bought it already. OMG. Budol. Budol 101 kami dito, guys. Kasi, nasira yung TV namin sa kwarto. Kaya na, iti-test na natin, guys. So, ito na po ang ating unboxing ng TV. For the testing na ang mga person. Sony Bravia Google TV 55 inches. Thank you, love. Guys, let's see this Google TV. So, ito na daw yung latest ng Sony ngayon. Google TV na. Sir, anong naisipan mo at bumili ka today ng TV? Parang wala naman sa plano natin yan today, sir.
Naisip lang kita.
Wait naman yung love ko. Ano meron? Anong kapalit nito? For the kilig na naman tayo for today's video, guys. So, bakit nga bumili ka ng TV bigla-biglaan? Sabi mo, titingin ka lang.
Wala lang. Matagal ka na nagre-request ng TV.
Eh, sabi ko naman, mapag-iipunan naman natin yan. Bigla-bigla mo binibili. Thank you, love. May batang gutom na po dito. Nagpabili na ng Jayco. Hindi na kinakaya ang gutom. Guys, naipasok na ang ating Sony Bravia Google TV. Excited, Yarn?
I'm so bored today.
Naku.
I'm not sleepy.
Naku.
Bored.
You're funny boy.
I am super bored today at night time.
may botong excited dito?
Okay, let me just watch Casey and Rachel on my TV, guys.
Wow, may TV na kami ulit. We're happy na. So, yan guys. Nakompleto na namin ang setup. So, tomorrow na lang kung paano namin imamount yung TV. We're still checking kung igigitna ba namin siya. Kasi our TV before
Casey and Rachel.
used to be in that place. Nakagitna naman siya dito sa kama namin.
Nagpapagamot kami sa Singapore.
So guys, sabi ko nga kanina, taken for granted yung dati naming TV nandito. Wala, normal na may TV kami. Ganon. Kasi before, dun sa apartment namin, bago kami lumipat dito sa bahay namin, talaga namang may TV rin sa kwarto. Yun nga, dalawa lagi yung TV namin. Isa sa kwarto, isa sa living room. So, yun. Ngayon ko na-appreciate yung TV. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal na din na nasira yung TV na yun. Hindi namin napagawa agad. Tapos pinakanvas nga namin. Medyo mahal. So, that's why we decided na bibili naman talaga ng bagong TV. Pero hindi agad ngayon. Kaya nagulat lang ako kay Hubs kanina na talagang bumili siya ng TV. Yun lang. Siguro na-miss na rin niya na manood kami dito sa kwarto kasi lagi kami nasa sala. Tapos late na kami umakyat dito sa kwarto namin. So, yun lang naman guys. I'll end the vlog na from here kasi tulog na yung alaga ko. Nakapanood naman siya kanina ng gusto niyang panoorin. Good night guys! See you next vlog. Bye!